One, two. Dapat nag-smile yung mata.
Uy, paano?
Smile. Kahit walang ano, di ba? Smile. That's another term for smile.
Mama, matatawa.
One, tigisan mo na kayo.
Ayoko, baunin na.
Isa.
Ayoko, masyado.
Ikaw nga doon rin.
Inuto ka dun yung
Video yan.
Kaya nga talaga hindi video, bastos ka. Video naman, baunin naman. Nakakayang kami ba itatayang? Hi! If I'm going to for the Royalty. I'm going to be Miss Philippines 2013. And the question,
Okay, my question is,
okay, what's your question?
if you will given a chance to exchange your body,
Oh.
are you going to grab it or not?
Okay.
Of course you will grab it. Thank you.
Very well said for that question. But I would like to thank for that very nice question. Okay. My answer is I'm going to change my body. Well, I think that will be let me think.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you a lot. Very nice answer, right?
Uh,
Yeah, because I have the motto that if you need to answer, you think first before answering the question. Okay? So I think the answer will be tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.
as your answer says,
Yeah.
kailangan mag-isip. Nung ginawa ka ba ng parents mo, nag-isip ba sila?
Yeah, of course.
Kaya pala ganyan ang kinalabasan.
Nangyari na kayo sa face mo. Tingnan mo naman yung face mo. Video mo yung face mo.
Tingnan mo yung face mo, Teo.
Up. Nakakahiya.
Parang full ano na siya. Kulang na lang player. May volleyball na, may bola na, may court pa. O, tara. May net pa.